microphone. Hello. Got this. There we go. Long time no see. Got an 93, apologize, Corvette. Radiator went bye-bye, cracked. So I thought I'd just make a random upload. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna basically just some tips and tricks for getting this pile of shit out, and then flushing it because the coolant looks like doo-doo. Anyway, got this new piece off of Amazon. Everything's gonna be linked in the description. Apparently, the transmission cooler things are a different size. I'll tell you if they are or not and what to buy to adapt it. So when you're taking this off, there's a bunch of little bolts all around. Wait a second, that's that. There we go. This one right there, the 13s and 10s, just holding the top part of this on after you get your intake off, which is fairly easy, the little knobs on there. Then you're going to take this also, probably not a 13, but use the 13 to take that off. Probably some American size. And then that's all super easy, straightforward to do. The hard parts is on this side. You have three little, there's no holes there anymore because I had to cut them out. I'm going to tell you, save some time and just chop them out. I'll show you in a second. All along here, underneath whatever the fuck this thing is, some PCV bullshit going on over there. Then there's just like a couple, again, 10 millimeters, super easy on this side. There's this that holds this fucking, some relays, which I got some shit going on. I don't know what the fuck's going on with that. And then this whole piece comes out. I'm gonna show you. On this side, there's 7 millimeters, I think, or some just American size. Wait, can we see them on? Oh yeah, this bracket right here holds them in. There's three. Yeah, 3 that hold this part, this whole top part in. 7 millimeters. You could get to them fairly easy with some wrenches right down there. Let's see if we focus. Those holes, you'll see that you can see them. There we go. Fairly easy on this side. Other side, I don't even know. But I used, save yourself some time, some fucking bloody knuckles. Go down here, either with a cutoff wheel or a Dremel, cut them out. They're right up here, right there where my finger's pointing. Just cut them out. Fucking save yourself some time. Don't put them back in. This side's an absolute bitch. Same exact thing except for this right here. Same exact thing on the other side, just harder to get to up top. Save yourself the time and fucking cut them out. Drill them out. They're mine, they were rusted, and just a pain in the ass to get to. Cut them out. And then after you get all those bolts out, I don't even have the car jacked up. You could to drain it, maybe jack the right side up with the peacock on that side, but this just comes right out. Let's see spot to mount this. Sorry, it's giving me a thing on there, but yeah. So I got the top radiator hose off, the fans all good. Then this will slide right out. I just got the bottom one connected up over there. Then take that off, let it drain, and then I'm gonna flush mine. Fucking hot as a bitch out here. So I'm gonna take the thermostat off, run hose through there, flush it out, and then some cleaner, and put it all back together with the new radiator. Anything else am I forgetting? No, pretty much just those bolts you see on the bottom there that I cut out. There we go. Yeah. That side, I was able to get them. Except for the bottom one that I had to cut out. Oh, there's also, I mean, if you're doing it like me, there's this hard line right here coming from the main fill down to this down there. See, 3 bolts, 1, 2, and then 3 on the wall. There's also another radiator. If you have an automatic, in the radiator, coolant line down there. There we go, focus. That one right there, and then that. Apparently, I was reading the comments on the new radiator that I got. This is a different size than what they have. I'll check. I'll let you guys know. Got the radiator out. It's similar to just pulling off the bottom hose and pulling it straight out. And this is what cracked on mine. Blew out the bottom. Crazy. Never seen that before. I thought it was going to be like on the bottom on the plastic, because that's the problem I'm having in the Crown Vic. You can see the dookie water in there. And then apparently these are different sizes. But it doesn't look like it. Yeah, I got the radiator put in there. Looks like it fits so far. Might have to trim maybe these up here, these rubber things. You could just probably take them right out. But what was it? Oh yeah, I took the thermostat out, put it back on, and then I ran water through here to flush it all out. Comes out this hose over there. Just hold this one, this hose that comes out of the thermostat. You could bend it up, otherwise it'll come out that hose. So just bend it all the way up higher than that point, and then it'll flush out that side. Get the new radiator in. Careful when you install these. I don't know. It seems like it fits, but the threads are like go in. But I only have 2 up here left, and then there's 3 on the 3 or 4 on the other side sticking out. So I don't know if I just cross-threaded it or it just doesn't fit at all. I'll keep you updated on that. Radiator that I got, but everything looks like it's fitting. I had to take this back off because the shroud needs to go on first. You do need to trim slightly these rubber mounts that are on the top. They sit up this way, right there, right underneath there. All you have to cut is just a diagonal piece off this way. You can leave the top pretty much, just a diagonal piece straight across. That's what I did. Fits all nicely in there. Stops the radiator from bouncing around a bunch. Then it should be good to go. Alright, this is about, I'll just cut a diagonal like that. This piece goes over there, or vice versa, whatever. Chunk that off. Should fit in there. See what we got, Jimmy. Go at her.
You want me to put it in?
Yeah, man. Lift up, pull the tabs through there. There's one right behind it, right behind that foam piece. Just holds it in place. See if we have to trim any more off. Another thing, put this hose in last. Helps you get all the shit on this side in first. Better when you trim more off.
No, that's good.
Yeah? Alright. And that's it. Fill it up with coolant. Update. It do be leaking. It leaks out of the back of the fitting, both top and bottom, even if you tighten it down. So you need an adapter. I've seen people put a barb fitting in the end of that one, and then just a rubber hose clamped down, and I just bypass the whole transmission, like one that's on there. Or there's a fitting to like get that one into the new one. So I'll look into that. Okay, so this is a after recording because this is about a week later. Got the right fittings in. Everything will be in the description. This is just a video of me showing that they stick out a little bit. They didn't screw all the way in. I just went until they were snug, and it pretty much sealed up. No leaks. Ready to go. Anything else? No. Peace.